Welcome to the third class of applique work, and in this class I'm going to show you a different design. Again, take contrasting colors. You could take bright colors, so I've just taken some leftover. So this is a different design in which on the edges I'm trying to make triangles also, but still the design will remain very basic here also. So there is a small little design I've made in the center also, and let's see how you can do this. So fold the fabric. Fold the fabric. See the design on the paper first. So what I have done in this is, first is I have cut the triangles here. So cut the triangles. You can mark 1 inch. So this also you have to cut because this is going to be a triangle. Similarly here also 1 inch. Let's open and see. Now see this. Why did I cut here is that because I wanted this to also be folded like that. Right? So this can be, so this is all the squares can be folded into a triangle. Now this is a very interesting edge, so probably I need to cut this a little bit from here so that I can create this. So one can fold this also and make the edges nicely. You can just fold it here also. Okay, so let's do the pattern. Okay, for this I've just put a slit here. That's it, a very small slit here. Do like a leaf design also. So this is like slightly, just cut it. It's important that you see the design on the paper first, what you're trying to create. Okay, so I can put one more fold here. One in the opposite direction. So I've given 2 cuts. I can give another cut here also. If I want this portion, open it and cut it here slightly. Open this and cut it here slightly. There should be enough distance here because these edges are going to be folded. Now here it seems that this is closer for me. It should have been somewhere here. So give enough distance between this. So that's the design I'm going to do. Now once you fold this, then this will be a nice leaf also. So here this is, so you can just do one here. So then again, like you can see this, I've tacked the fabric here. So if this is your fabric, first put it on the darker color fabric and then just do the tacking stitches so that it is well secured. Do the tacking stitches here also because otherwise this will also come out. Do the tacking stitches here also. Now it is secure. Then you start folding and doing the hemming stitch. Do the hemming stitches here. Fold this also. Okay. So when both the edges are folded, so the fabric starts showing like this. Thank you.